I'm Lucy and welcome to Beauty Leaks. In today's episode, Kylie Cosmetics, Kim Kardashian and Mario, Colourpop, Jacklyn Hill, Lady Gaga and Haus Labs, Peachy Queen, NYX Professional Makeup, new products, new releases. Congratulations to Bretman Rock for winning People's Choice Award for the Best Beauty Influencer of the year 2019. Beating Jeffree Star and Nikki Tutorial could not be easy, so well done. Kylie Jenner, self-made billionaire, well, for sure being from reality TV family, doesn't have to do anything with it. She's launching holiday collection with the main star Dear Santa palette. It's a 16-pan eyeshadow palette full of warm browns, reds, and gold and silver shimmers. There will also be available lip kits and different lip bundles, illuminating face spray and primer, blush duo for $20 and brush set for $35. This white and red candy cane theme collection will be available on 19th of November. Speaking of Kardashians, on November 22nd, Kim will launch her second collaboration with celebrity makeup artist Mario. There will be an Artist and Muse eyeshadow palette with 10 mostly nude shades in different finishes. From promo video, we could guess there are also gonna be lipsticks and the lip liners, and we have a quote from Mario. "This is pretty much the palette I would take on a desert island with Kim, confidently knowing that I could do a lot of different looks from a day to night. I could mix and blend several shades to adjust the warmth and depth. We are obsessed with it. If you like sultry Kim looks, definitely this palette is for you. But if you don't want to wait till end of November or simply you prefer to spend less money, Colourpop has something for you. Going Coconut palette for $12 is a quite similar color story with exception of one or two shades. Coconut collection also includes Call Me on My Cell Phone, Super Shock Shadow Trio, sold as a set for $15 or individually for $6 each. Coco Loco Lippy Scrub and Balm, set for $12 or sold separately as a lip balm with essential vitamins and moisturizing shea butter for $6, and Gentle Sugar Lip Scrub that exfoliate and conditions your lips for $8. There are also two tint lips duos for $12. The last product in the collection are two pressed powder bronzers, $8 each. If you are not for coconuts, spoil yourself and get everything bundled for $67. Janice, nuts for coconuts, this is lame. I don't want to read this shit on live TV. We are proud and we are rooting for Jacklyn Hill, as we would be for everyone who is brave enough to start their own beauty brand, but we all know how the first launch ended. In flames. Big time. But now Jacklyn dusted all off and she's rising like a phoenix with highlighter collection. There will be 3 different formulas for different effects and for different parts of your face. There are 2 highlighter palettes handcrafted in Italy. Bougie. Flare for light to medium skin and Flame for darker tones, $49 each. Mood Light Highlights for $32, available in 5 different shades. Loose powders that you can use all over your face and body to add dewy finish and blurring effect. Powder is finely milled and lightweight, and Jacklyn called it Facetune in a jar and a great product for a little bit older skin. Jerry, can we order it? Beaming Light Highlighter for $24, also available in 5 shades. This product is designed to give you the blinding shine in those strategic places on your face. There are also 3 brushes, each one designed to work perfectly with different formula. Look out, Becca, Jacklyn Hill is coming for your gig. Lady Gaga and Haus Labs are coming back with Cosmic Love Holiday Collection. If you go to Haus Lab page now, in Holiday tab collection, you will find sets of lip glosses, lip liners, and creamy eyeshadows. No new shades, just all the shades available before, packed in the pouch that was available before as well. That raises few questions. Oh, thank you, Jerry. Just in, Lady Gaga revealed that on November 18 there will be a first addition to holiday collection. Sparkly lipstick in shade Burlesque, universally flattering, true red lipstick, one swipe coverage with glittery finish. There will also be 4 shades of her amazing, yes, we tested it, Glam Attack Metallic Cream Liquid Eyeshadows. Retro in Metallic Champagne, Chains in Metallic Bronze, Glamour Puss in Metallic Scarlet, and Gunmetal in Metallic gunmetal. Cosmic Love Holiday Collection will be available on Haus Lab website and on Amazon on 18th of November for US, Canada and China, but for Europe and Mexico it will be only pre-order with the shipping on 13th of December. Well, speaking of equality. Since last episode of Friends aired in 2004, all 80s and 90s babies are clinging to whatever Friends product they can find. It's been 15 years and we cannot still get over it. I know, I cannot get over it. To dry your tears, Peachy Queen has a palette for you. I'll Be There For You is a 16-pan eyeshadow palette with the mattes and shimmer, and the shades name are all the cult favorite. Like, how are you doing? Smelly Cat. We were on a break. Pivot. Naked Guy. We have to admit, Peachy Queen is a one smart lady. We all know it's a Friends palette, but officially she doesn't call it Friends palette. Names of the characters are not mentioned either. So, that means that she probably didn't have to pay for legal rights. I mean, kudos for finding this loophole. Is the color story screaming Friends? Well, not for me. But on the other hand, I don't know what shades would be. So while we are dreaming and waiting for reunion episode to see all the Friends together, we have this palette. Every Christmas, NYX Professional Makeup is spoiling us with numerous holiday sets. This year is no different, from a wide range of lippies, duos and trios to advent calendars. But the product that caught our attention the most is Dazed and Diffused Blurring Lipstick. It's a dual-ended lip pencil with a jojoba oil-infused velvet matte crayon on one side, and on the other side flat lip brush to help you create blurred full color on ombre look. It's available in 12 shades, $9 each. That's all the beauty news for today. Remember, don't read newspaper in the rain. See you next Sunday.